Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active Azure subscription and a resource group in the region you plan to use. Once done, choose the path, Azure ML Workspace for managed notebooks, a data science VM, or a plain Linux VM with Jupyter. You should provision minimal compute now to avoid idle charges. Create a small VM or a single compute instance. Make sure network and inbound port rules allow SSH or Jupyter access. Then attach an SSH key or password so you can connect immediately. You next configure the environment, SSH into the VM or open the Azure ML Notebook session. Install Conda and create isolated environments for reproducibility. Once created, install kernels so notebooks can use each env. Next, install Jupyter Lab or Notebook, enable useful extensions, and install project packages with pip or conda. You must configure Jupyter with a token or password and set up SSL with a self-signed or managed certificate. Doing that secures your instance and lets you connect from your browser. You finish by running Jupyter as a background service and enabling auto start so reboots don't interrupt work. Connect storage, mount Azure Blob or Data Lake, or attach managed disks for persistent data. Once running, test a notebook, verify kernel's load, and confirm compute utilization is as expected. If things go wrong, check Jupyter and system logs, ensure port and NSG rules allow your client, and look for environment conflicts between pip and conda. Restarting the kernel or restarting the service often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.